It's a scenario every crypto investor fears. You check your portfolio and see a massive, gut-wrenching drop. The asset you were so bullish on is crashing, and the numbers are flashing red. This isn't just a paper loss, this is a real-time event. So, what happens when an asset crashes on a platform like Uphold? First, the most immediate effect is the drop in your account's value. Uphold updates prices in real time, so you'll see the new, lower value reflected instantly. The platform's job is to reflect the market, and in a crash, the market is tanking. Now, you have decisions to make. You can sell your asset to cut your losses. Uphold allows you to trade a wide variety of assets, so you could convert it to a stablecoin like USDC, or to another cryptocurrency you believe is more stable, or even back to fiat currency like USD. However, during a crash, market liquidity can dry up. This means there might not be enough buyers to sell your asset quickly, or the price you get might be less favorable than what's listed. Another option is to hold, or hodl, as the crypto community says. If you believe the asset will recover, you can simply do nothing. The value in your account will be lower, but you still hold the same amount of the asset. Uphold's system is designed to hold your assets securely, so they will remain in your account until you decide to take action. It's also crucial to remember Uphold's legal framework. The terms of service are very clear that they are not liable for market losses. They are a platform for you to trade on, and the risk of a market downturn is a fundamental part of investing. There are no protections like FDIC or SIPC insurance for crypto assets on Uphold. So, when a crash happens, Uphold's system functions as it should. It reflects the market. The real challenge is your reaction. Will you sell into the panic, or have the conviction to hold on for a potential rebound? That decision, and the risk that comes with it, is entirely on you.